Hello there, my name is Charles and I want to demonstrate how to put a Trod case or a Trod Dual on your iPhone. Check this out. This is the Trod case. It's the first affordable premium hardwood case for the iPhone. Available in walnut, teak, and cherry. This one is cherry. Now we also have a Trod Dual that's available in maple walnut and maple cherry. Okay, here we go. To install your iPhone in the Trod case, carefully slide the long half at a slight angle, making sure the on-off ringer does not catch on the protective material. Okay, so you just slide it up all the way to the top and it fits tight like a glove, like it should. Alright, now you take the bottom half and slide it in place. Now, when it gets close, you'll hear us click. There you go, clicked in place, and that's pretty much it. Okay, you can enjoy your Trod case now. You can use your buttons just like you would normally. There you go. We'll slide it off. You got the home screen there. You can control your volume. It's really cool. Instead of having big holes on the side, you got these wooden buttons, and they work just like the normal iPhone buttons do. Okay, that's it. For more exciting products, visit SkydaDesign.com.